Today, I am going to prepare a dish made out of brinjal or eggplant. The unique smoky flavor of this dish is achieved by roasting the eggplant in an open flame and then stir-frying the mashed eggplant or the bharta with the aromatic spices, garlic, onions and tomatoes. Welcome to my channel V Ideas. If you are new here, then do consider subscribing. Let's get ready with the ingredients required. Mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, Asafoetida, green chilies, sliced garlic cloves, grated garlic, grated ginger, turmeric powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri chili powder, kitchen king masala, garam masala, chopped onions, tomato puree, coriander leaves, and finally the eggplant. Let's stuff it. Make 4 to 5 slits through the eggplant by running a sharp knife over it. Ensure that the slits aren't too close to each other or too deep. The slits should be just right to tightly hold the green chilies and garlic slices. Once the slits are ready, carefully stuff the slits with green chilies and garlic. If you want to reduce the spice level, then avoid the use of green chilies. Now, let's roast it. Place a wire mesh on the open flame and then lay the eggplant over it to roast it. Keep on turning the eggplant by holding its stem after every few minutes so that it is evenly cooked. If it is too hot, then do use the tongs to turn the eggplant. Roast the eggplants on medium flame till the inner side of the eggplant becomes mushy and soft, whereas the outer skin becomes crispy and brittle. Now, let's peel it. It should be easy to peel as the brittle skin should easily come off. But be careful to not burn your hands by the gushing hot steam. You can take the help of a fork to peel the roasted eggplant as shown in the video. You can also wait for it to cool down. But the cooling process will make the eggplant's skin a bit soggy. It's peeled. Now let's slice it. With the help of a sharp knife, slice it into small pieces so that it's easy to mash it. I am using a mechanical chopper to mash it into a smooth paste or to make the bharta. Now, to stir fry, pour 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil into a hot pan. Splutter some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and fennel seeds. Also, add some asafoetida and stir it for few seconds. Add the chopped onions. Saute till they turn translucent. Now, add ginger and garlic and saute till everything turns golden brown. Add all the spice powders and saute for 2 to 3 minutes so that the spices release all their flavors. Now, add the tomato puree along with a dash of water. Mix it well. Let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until the oil gets separated. Give it a gentle mix. Now, add the mashed eggplant into the pan. Mix it well. Add salt to taste and check for seasoning at this point. Sprinkle a handful of coriander leaves and let it simmer on low flame for 5 minutes. Our delicious smoky flavored eggplant stir fry or Baingan ka bharta is ready. Plate it and serve it hot with some rotis, chapatis or parathas. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do hit the subscribe button. See you soon. Until then, Vidya signing off.